Some of our viewers have complained that they are getting charged by Shopify despite canceling their plan. So in this video, we will show you how to deactivate your Shopify store in the right way. To deactivate your account, you need to log into your Shopify dashboard. Next, on the top right, you'll see this Manage Account option. Here, we need to change some important settings before we deactivate our store. To do that, click on Security option on the left menu. Now scroll down a little, and then we need to make sure that the two-factor authentication is off. And then we need to log out from all the other devices as well. Alright, now we simply need to go back to our Shopify dashboard. Next, click on Settings on the bottom left, and then go to Plans. As you can see, we are currently using the basic Shopify plan that costs $39 per month. Since this store is operating in India, the default currency is set accordingly. Now, to deactivate this store, we simply need to scroll down and click on this Deactivate Store button. And now, it will show you three options. To deactivate your Shopify store, you need to select the third option. Even after deactivating your store, Shopify will save your data for the next 2 years. Which means that if you decide to restart your store, you can come back to Shopify and restart the store. Now click on this Deactivate Store option. Then you need to select a reason here, and then click on Continue. Next, you only need to enter your password here, and then confirm. And your Shopify store will be deactivated. Along with this, we also recommend that you remove your billings info from here. And if you have any paid apps subscription, make sure to cancel them as well. Otherwise, Shopify will keep charging you some amount on a monthly basis. That's how you can deactivate your Shopify store. And now that you've deactivated your Shopify store, you might be looking for a good alternative to Shopify. So make sure to watch this video, where we've mentioned the top 3 best alternatives to Shopify.